To use the custom GPT template generator, you'll need an OpenAI API key. View the tutorial on how to create one. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create your own custom GPT to autocomplete these templates for you. To create your own custom GPT, go to chatgpt.com/GPTs. If you have a Plus account, click on Create in the upper right corner. If not, you will need to upgrade to the ChatGPT Plus $20 per month subscription to create and use custom GPTs. Now that we've upgraded, click on Create in the upper right, then Configure, and fill in the required information for your custom GPT. Create as many conversation starts as you want. Most people add 3 or 4 so people can click on them to get started. Use the most common questions. Now upload the files for the GPT to refer to in answering questions. And what you need to know in advance is you cannot upload more than 20 files at a time. So if you have more than 20 files, perhaps you can combine some as larger files. You also have the option of selecting the model that you would like to use for your custom GPT and answering questions. When you have finished, click Create. Now decide if you want to save in the GPT store or share it with anyone with a link. Copy your link and save it in a safe place. There you have it, your own custom GPT. Here's how to get your custom GPT ID to use in your template generator. In the browser or in your link, copy the part from G forward all the way to the end. I prefer the browser because it doesn't have the title of your GPT, just the numbers. Just paste your GPT ID into the box below the API key to use in your custom GPT template generator. And we're ready to get started.